Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the word anyway, an A2 level adverb that means in any case or regardless. It's such a versatile word that can really help you keep a conversation flowing or emphasize a point. So, what exactly does anyway mean? Imagine you're in a situation where something unexpected happens, but you still want to move forward. That's when you'd use anyway. For example, if it starts raining during your picnic, you might say, "It's raining, but let's enjoy our food anyway." It's all about showing that something doesn't stop you from continuing or deciding to do something. Let's explore some synonyms of anyway. Words like nevertheless, nonetheless, and regardless can be used in similar ways. For instance, instead of saying, "I wasn't invited, but I went anyway," you could say, "I wasn't invited, but I went nevertheless." Or, "She had a lot of work, but she helped us nonetheless." These synonyms might sound a bit more formal, but they carry the same idea. On the flip side, let's talk about some antonyms. Words like therefore, consequently, and hence are opposites in meaning because they emphasize a result or reason rather than moving past something. For example, it was raining. Therefore, we canceled the picnic. See how that shifts the focus to the outcome instead of perseverance? Now, how can we use anyway in our daily lives? You'll often hear it in casual conversations. Imagine a friend is telling a long story, but they realize they're getting off track. They might say, "Anyway, back to what I was saying." Or if someone is trying to make a point, they might use anyway to emphasize, like, "We're going to be late anyway, so let's take our time." Here are a few more examples in sentences. The cake didn't turn out perfect, but it tasted great anyway. I told him it was a bad idea, but he went ahead anyway. She was nervous about the speech, but she did it anyway. To sum up, anyway is a fantastic word that helps us move past obstacles, return to the main topic, or emphasize a point. It's casual, easy to use, and pops up everywhere in English. I hope this helps you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. I'd also love to hear your examples of anyway in a sentence, so feel free to share them in the comments. Can't wait to see what you come up with.